Next up, the first mission for Banshee, a brand new unlock after we finish Artisan Invaders from Afar. In this, we need to eliminate the leader of the hostile group occupying the sawmill. Let's go ahead and do this. Obviously, we'll be heading back to the sawmill located all the way on the west side of the map. Just bring with you a scoped weapon and you'll probably be fine. Alright, so approaching the top of the sawmill here, you'll want to clear out the area so we can push into it. Obviously, a scoped weapon is king here. Heading in here, this is the boss that you're looking for. We'll get rid of them and there you go. You'll know that they're the boss because they're dressed slightly differently to other AI in the area, and they usually hang around the center area over here nearby the truck, pretty much right where the mill is in sawmill. Traveling up to them, this is their gear. They're relatively heavy kitted with a nice custom AK-74. We'll go ahead and loot them and head out of here. Getting back to base, let's go ahead and hand in these quests. So, Banshee followed by Timber, complete. There we go. So, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.